Hey guys, what's going on? Alan here at the Gibson Garage YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. And as you saw in the title, we're going to be replacing the leak detection pump in I think it's a 99 Dodge Intrepid. I say we, it's actually going to be Mike and my son, because I'm working on something else. A little something, huh? That's all you get. Just check out the other video. I'm not sure, it will be out. You'll have already seen that. You'll have already seen this video probably if you watch all my videos. But as far as the Intrepid goes, I've got Mike working on it for me. Huge help, because I can't get up and down too easy. Still kind of hobbling around a lot still. But this Intrepid's got to go. So it looks like you're gonna have to drop the tank, unfortunately. And let me crawl under there. I don't know which way this goes. We got some bolts out, it looks like. So he's got one strap out.
No, both of them off.
Oh, you got to take the sway bar off. So first step's take the sway bar off. And this is if you're dropping the tank, and we believe you have to drop the tank. So this is all just to drop the tank. And it does have a drain plug. So go ahead and drain it. Make sure you use brass wrenches or aluminum wrenches if you can. But you know, whatever, don't blow yourself up. And then he's got it supported with the transmission jack. He's got the filler neck, which is somewhere around here. Right, Mike? It's on this side, I believe. But he's got it loosened, and it's gonna pop off as the tank comes down. And here, actually, attached to the side of your canister is the leak detection pump. That's this guy right there that I can't quite touch. But it's like, I think it's either screwed or it's like plastic riveted to the side of the canister. And we did find a panel that will give us some you know, ability to look at it, but it looks like it's just plastic. Was it a ground strap?
Wire kind of plug going into the side that's not just a rubber grommet goes to the heat shield. Tucks to the side of it.
Oh, I don't know what any of that means. Just you know, remove it or something. And then, but yeah, he's got the light. But in there, you'll be able to see the back of the 3 mounting points. Here's the new one. And it does look exactly the same we checked it out. So it's sitting in the car like this right now. Yellow end towards the trunk. And the back of these 3 mounting points are what I was trying to show you in the hole, in that viewing access hole. But it's like plastic molded on or something. So that's why we're taking everything down, because we can't figure out how to get off just the vapor canister or just this thing. So again, we're doing the hard work so you don't have to. Okay, so what we're working on now is this harness coming out of the bottom. And it's fastened in a couple spots on this heat shield here. And down there. Through. It's fastened up there. Hopefully you can see that. And then I think that's the last thing that's holding us up. Straps are off, lines are off there. What is that last one there?
Return.
Is that just a piece of hose?
Rubber, yeah.
No clamps or nothing on it?
Nope.
Did you try to get it off yet?
No, not yet.
Okay. Oh, that's just like this other one was like that too. Okay. So he's working on the filler neck right now, trying to pop it off as it goes down. So what we did, we just unbolted the heat shield. Actually, this is a 10 mil bolt, and then 2 little rubber tabs. You just pry the metal away. But you ready? It's going down. It's going down, son.
Yeah, I don't think I'm caught up on anything. Okay.
Smells like gas. I think that means we're good. We didn't drain this. You know, I pointed out there's a drain plug for a reason.
Uh-oh. No, I'm caught up.
No, doesn't matter now. Well, we need to go my way. Well, there's nothing up here.
Why is it leaning forward then? Oh! Oh!
What'd you do?
Got disconnected from the fuel tank.
What did?
The canister. It's just on 2 tabs. Or a tab.
What? Are we recording? Good. Hold on, let me come over there. So, how does it work so we don't have to drop the tank next time? Maybe this is So the exhaust is in the way.
Yeah, that bolt is only pretty fastener. It's just got like 2 tabs. I just wiggle it and pop.
So all we had to do was just push it up,
Yeah.
out, away from the tank and up? Okay. Without dropping the tank, but I'm just trying to pull the hoses off there. Ugh. Just squeeze it and then wiggle it to get it to go. Yeah, squeeze and wiggle, squeeze and wiggle. Boom, it pops just like that. That's what she said. Because look, what we have access to. Those 2 bolts on the back, right? Those are nuts, aren't they? Or bolts, screws. Where's the...
Yep.
Where's the... Here, let's get some... So all you guys need to do is get this far. So figure out a way where you can get to those 2 little... What are those, 8s? Those are probably 8 mils. And then whatever is connected to that. But that is the top.
I was running swimmer.
Okay, so here's the new piece. And it was just held in with those 2 8 mil screws. And then this is just a rubber stopper to help support it. And then transfer over this hose if it came off. I believe it goes to that T. And then you have these 2 lines in the connector. So there you go, Mike, whenever you're ready. But there's the tabs on the back of the canister. So yeah, just like Mike said, those are, you're gonna undo 1 bolt at the bottom and then slide it up. And then maybe you could sneak down just that. But then it seems like this exhaust pipe would be in the way to do that, because it is. So yeah, you've got options. Either probably exhaust pipe and just that, or do it the way we did it. What's wrong?
There's no threads in this.
Oh yeah, you gotta just force them. Plastic. You gotta cut new ones as you screw it in. Something missing?
I'm thinking that one went on top and this one went on the bottom.
If it lines up.
I can't see my tabs.
Okay, so we've got it hooked up on there. It's just kind of sitting on its peg for now. And we're fishing the sway bar back in. It's over the exhaust. You gotta go over the exhaust here. Mike's just now jacking it up into place right now. I'm gonna set these lines. No more leaky. Gotta tighten this up. Wheels are slid on. Mike's grabbing a strap right now. So that's how we did it anyway. An old pooper Dodge Intrepid. We gotta wash it up. We did get the headlights in. They look pretty nice, actually. I got to get a fog light. But they look pretty nice. I don't know about, you know, touching up all the paint. I will wash it and try to clean it up the best I can, you know, but it's... Someone took something to it here, just mangled that fender. And then, of course, it sits under my mulberry tree, which I've almost cut all of it down. There was a lot. It was like leaves were touching the ground. I cut off so much. We had a pile that was as tall as my truck over there, and we burned it all. Well, that's gonna do it, guys. I appreciate you watching, and hopefully this helps out. Hit the like button if it does, because I haven't found any videos on how to do the leak detection pump, which is basically like what a smog pump used to be, I think. Maybe, I don't know. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Oh, the Dodge Magnum, and then we can get back on the Dodge Magnum, because it's still blown up and parked out on the road, all sad out there. But that's later on, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later. Have a good one.
So it's stuck home.
Did you check engine light?
Yeah.
Well, since we had the battery unplugged for so long, it's just going to take a while for the monitors to reset in the first place before it'll find any problems. So, driving around, I don't know, who knows, it could take forever. It could take not that long at all. But we did get the part in there.